Hi guys, today I received a mission about to explore a professional ODM and OEM manufacturer of back-end storage system. So let's have a look. Come on. Wow, through these windows you can very clearly see the workshop process. Let's take a detail. Let's have a look. Wow, this is our workshop process. This is our MES screen used for real-time monitoring the manufacture process. That's our cell sorter machine, and we can put cells inside, measuring the voltage and internal resistance. We can keep every battery cells within 10 million volts. According to the design of battery cell, we can adjust the placement of negative and positive of battery cell. This step to stick the insulation pole for heat insulation to improving the safety use of battery cell. Wow, look at that robotic arm that grab the battery cell. That's amazing. Yes, let's turn to the next step. We call the time machine. Wow. The second part, the module assembly part. We can see the SOP. It will have the better standardized operation. Second module assembly part included the battery poles cleaning, battery poles welding, and collector line welding. Finally, we must pass the module withstanding voltage test. Now our battery modules are finished.